Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Eyeshadow Palette. I received this in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I don't know, purples, I really like them. It does, and they got some like pink tones. It comes with a nice mirror. You do get only 6 shades, but everything I've tried by Dominique Cosmetics has always been really good products. So this is Sweater Weather Fuzzy Toasty and Cuddle. And then we have Chilled and Messy Bun. See, this is like a dark purple. It kind of looks, it's so dark that it looks almost like black. Or like really dark. So, really excited about trying this out. I think it's a really cute palette. Really like the design. It's got like the texture material. I bent my bag and it don't want to stay now. Okay, there we go. It's magnetic. But I really like the palette. Just really wonderful. But like I said, everything that she's came out with, I've really enjoyed using. So I'm hoping the same with this. I did forget to prime my eyes, but we can go ahead and do that really fast. So I guess if you got BoxyCharm, a lot of people will get this. Some people won't. I know some people said they was getting it. Some people said no. Now, I am using the NYX primer in the skin tone. I have 2 other primers. I've got the white one. I think it's called White Pearl. And then I have this one. I like this one the best. I use my Beauty Blender, but I've dropped it. So I just used this little one by, I think it's Echo. So really, it is sweater weather out. Yesterday, it was snowing really bad. Today, it is up to, like, last time I checked the weather, it was, like, 41. I don't know. This year, the weather's been very bizarre. Like, it can be, like, down in the 20s for a couple days. Then it's right back up to almost 60. I don't know. So, I'm going to start off with this Morphe R36. And I think I'll go into Sweater Weather for a transition shade. It does, like, you guys can probably see it. It does have, like, powder coming up. It's, like, all over it, if you can see it. But that's okay. Just knock your brush, and it'll go away. And this is blending out really, really good. That blended out so good. I can deal with fallout as long as it blends and it's got really good pigment. Okay, so I got that on. I think the next color I will use is this Chilled, because I really want to use this purple. And I'm going to use this new brush. I washed them already. It's by La Rose. Now, I do want to say this. Okay, so I looked the prices up on these. They are not valued for like $154 or $155, whatever the retail value was. They do have a brush set that is valued for $155, but they have like somewhere around like 12 brushes in them. They do have a set similar to the one I received in my box for $65, but it does have one more brush. So, and it's only retailed for $65. So let's say this is retailed. These brushes should have been really retailed for around $55 to $60. And this is my first time using them. So it took a little longer to blend this color out, and don't think it's the color. I actually thought that it's just where the brush is really stiff. I believe that's why it took a little longer, but that's okay. They are new brushes. So I am really liking it. I'm just going to take this clean brush and just clean it up, blend it out a little bit better. Okay, so I got that cleaned up. I am going to go in with the same brush since it's smaller. And it is, I think, probably a taper blending brush. I should have brought me a detail brush. And I'm just going right on the outer crease or outer corner to add definition. Okay, so I'm just going to take a clean brush and blend it on in. Okay, so I got that blended in really good. This brush, I guess where it's new, it's a little stiffer, and I'll probably need washed a few times before it blends really good, but it did place product on really good. I really wish they would have put some shimmer in this palette because everything is all matte, but that's okay. So I'm going to take Cuddle and use my shadow brush I got yesterday in the LaRousse, and I'm just going to take it and put it actually, I think I'll clean my eyes up first because that purple is like really showing up. So let me clean my eyes up and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I got the concealer and cleaned my eyes up. I'm going to go in with this pink right here called Cuddle. I would prefer shimmer, but you get what you get. Which really don't look too bad. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more of Messy Bun right there at the edge so these will blend right together. Okay, so I got that blended back in. so it all just flows together. And then the last thing I'm going to do is take that fuzzy light color right here, and I'm just going to put it right at the end of my corner of my eye. Okay, so I'm going to take that dark color, and I'm just called Messy Bun. I'm just going to bring it lightly underneath my eye. Like right up against the waterline. So I got that, and then I'm just going to take some more of the Chill, and I'm just going to blend them together underneath the waterline and drop it down just a little bit more. Alright, so I got that. I'm going to throw some liner and mascara and stuff on it, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I've got my liner, lashes, mascara, lips put on. And got my hair kind of fixed. I like the palette. I think it's cute. Is it a full palette? Well, it's only 6 colors. It does make a look. You probably could make 2 or 3 looks out of this. But it's missing shimmer colors. I like to have a little shimmer in the corner of my eyes, but you can do that like I done with highlighter or another eyeshadow. Actually, it was an eyeshadow, the Balm. It was a little sample size I had that I got in my box a long time ago. But, I mean, it really is a pretty little palette. Like today, it's nice. It's not like too out there to just be going to family house today is all I'm going to be doing. So I don't need to be like bold or anything like that. It's a chilled palette, I guess, because it's sweater weather, you want to be chilled. But it's not my favorite palette because it's got the mattes. And if it had a few shimmers in it, it'd be perfect for me. But that's it. But I did like the look I made. I like purple. I think purple is really a nice color. I used to do all kinds of purple looks, a lot brighter than this. I don't think I do hardly any purple looks anymore. But I guess that's it. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up to help me out. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you will be notified when I do upload, which is every Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and sometimes I do bonus videos while my subscription boxes are coming in, so you don't know if you're going to get 3 videos that week or maybe 4 or 5, maybe 6, 7. So you never know, and because we got a lot of subscription boxes to unbox. But I hope you guys did like this, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.